Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
इबादत कर रहा है।
Mm.
Hello. Okay, now this time. Once again, now there is we have not b is equal to 1 and this is called a unit vector. Okay, clear? And first one it is when we take at R2. Okay, there is a totally we contain the three coordinate as 0, 0, 0. And as well as it is x-axis to y-axis to the z-axis. That's why the vector is written as 0, I1, 0, j bar, 0, k bar. In this way, this will become null vector. And the second answer, you know very well. There is a mass S scalar quantity remaining all the vector quantity. That is why it will be taken as answer A. Next, fourth point, which of the following could be an example for a parallel vector? Yes, there is a one. 8 carries flying parallel to each other. 8 carries flying in opposite direction. 2 ships sailing on the same sea. Okay, none of these. Actually, there is a lot. Yes, when the parallel to each other, the vector is a parallel to each other. Yes, yes, that is the called actually. Yes, the parallel vector. Okay, clear or not? Example for the parallel vector means this should be in a parallel with each other. Whatever may be the magnitude, whatever may be the it's a space, but it should be compulsory in a one direction only, and as well as they are should be in a parallel with each other. Okay, there is no angle between the two vectors that become zero. That vectors are only called a parallel vector. Got it? Yeah. Next, there is anti-parallel. The option B is there. What they said in option B, opposite in direction. Okay, clear? When they are in opposite in direction, the angle between the two vectors have become 180 degrees. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why it is not a become parallel vector. Got it? It is not a become parallel vector. It is a pure parallel vector. And when there is the last one, the two ships are in a same. Okay, in a sea. Sea means what? It is a totally plane. They not are given any direction. Okay, clear or not? If they are in a same sea, they called coplanar vectors, not a parallel vectors. Got it? They treated as a coplanar vector in case they are in the same sea surface. Okay, clear? That is why the answer is become A1. Fifth one. Next question is the fifth one. Displacement is the which quantity? Displacement is the okay, the vector quantity. Why? Because displacement is nothing but the shortest path between the 2 points is only called displacement. Okay. Yes, there is the 2 points are there. One is A and another one is the B. Okay, clear or not? There is the A and the B. For these two bodies, when the for these 2 points, the body want to draw along in this direction, it is called a displacement. Why? Because this is also one of the another path available. What is this? This is the A component is a path passes through the C and the B. This is another path to reach B. Yes, this is also another path to reach B. This is also another path to reach the B. Okay, this is also another path to reach the B. This is also another path to reach the B. And this is also called of another path. Okay, but when in this all the paths, which is the shortest one? Okay, which is the shortest path is there? That is only called as, that path is only called as what it is? Yes, displacement. As these all not contain a specified directions, but it is a compulsory contain one direction. Okay, clear or not? And it is the shortest magnitude also. That is why our displacement is one of the vector only. Okay, now it is a vector quantity. Next, sixth question. Addition of 2 vectors get a single vector is termed as, okay, resultant vector. When we add 2 vectors, that vector is called what? Resultant vector. What it or not? Yes, suppose we take an A bar, next we take an B bar. Okay, A bar plus B bar is called what? Resultant of these 2 vectors. Either may be parallel or may be anti-parallel or may be equal or any type of the vector. When you take it is the sum of the two all the vectors or whatever the group of vectors are there, that is called as what it is? Resultant vector. The sixth answer is resultant. Yes. Resultant vector is. Answer is C. Next, in case scalar quantity, there is only addition and a subtraction of. Okay, yes, what it is actually. When you take a number according to the unit or number according to the direction, yes, number according to the, yes, only number it is. In the scalar quantity, there is only addition and subtraction between the number only. There is we not a consider based on the unit also. Okay, clear or not? B and C is not a correct answer. Why? Because there is no direction for it. Okay, clear or not? And there is a unit. May it is a conversion process. We are taken a unit, but no conversion. It is not a correct. That is why the sixth or seventh answer is A. Just we add a general algebraic summation and yes, general algebraic addition may be considered for a scalar quantity. Okay, clear or not? That is why there is a general subtraction, general addition is between the numbers. Okay, now yes, that is why we are taking it is answer A. Next, eighth one. If two forces 20 Newton towards the north and 12 Newton towards the south are acting, yes, on an object, resultant force will be, if the two forces of 20 newtons towards one is the north, another one is towards the south, means what? Opposite in direction. Yeah, there is a one, the force, first force we are taking is a 20 newtons, means what? I am taking it like this is the direction. Okay, clear? Yeah, for our convenience we are taking regular directions. That is, I am taken this is the origin. Okay, this is the north side, this is the south side. It is a contain 20 newtons and it is a contain only 12 newtons. Yes, what is a resultant of these two things? These two are opposite vector. First I am taken F1 is equal to 21 newton towards north only. Okay, now F2 is equal to 12 newtons towards south only. Here, first thing is S, and the directions are opposite. F1 direction is opposite to the S, F2. Then it will be written as F1 plus F2 is a become the resultant vector F. Then F is equal to taken as 20 newtons. Okay, For 20 Newton in case you have taken a plus, you have to take a minus. Which one? F2 you have to take a minus. Plus or minus 12 Newtons. Totally automatically it is become 8 Newtons. Clear or not? Plus 8 Newtons. The resultant is the plus 8 Newtons. Okay, the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, please note down all these things. All the students, please note down it. Next, after this, ninth question. dash quantity. Value is a scalar quantity. Okay, clear for all the students? It is a scalar quantity. Why? Because there is no direction is required to specify the value. Okay, simply it will be whatever maybe you are taking. Okay, whatever the direction you are taking, it should be same only. Yes, the value is not depending on the direction. Got it? Next, 10th one. What is the resultant of a two vectors having a magnitude of 4 meters per second and 3 meters per second, an angle of 90 degrees? Okay, what is the resultant of two vectors having the magnitude of 4 meters per second and 3 meters per second, an angle of 90 degrees? Okay, now there is a what actually we are consider the two vectors are there. Yes, there are orthogonal vectors like this they are considered. The angle is 90 degrees. Then when we add these two vector magnitude is 4, it is 3 degrees. Okay, they are not opposite in direction. Okay, that's why simply we add it 4 plus 3. It is equal to become what actually the resultant of these two vectors are become. Now, till now we are not completed this type of concepts. Okay, now actually the resultant is a become this one. Okay, clear? The resultant is a become this one. Okay, now from the Pythagoras principle, you know very well. AB and as well as the C. Here it is also written as AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square under root of AC square. This is only called the what? Pythagoras principle of a triangle. Okay, clear? Yes, Pythagoras. Okay, principle we are taking here. Okay, got it? Yes, and this is about the right angle triangular purpose. Automatically, it is a become what? Under root of 3 square plus what? Under root of 4 square under root is equal to under root of AC square means what? This one and this one cancel. Here, uh, here the resultant is AC. For a given data, the resultant AC bar. Okay, clear or not? Now the AC bar whole square plus BC bar whole square is equal to under root of AC bar square. Now it is equal to taken as 9 plus 16. Yes, it is equal to under root of 25. It is equal to AC. Okay, now AC is equal to 5. Okay, answer is for a 10th one answer is okay. Now just see. All the students, it is from Pythagoras principle. May you not get in your mathematics also. Yes, when we take a rectangular triangle, yes, the rectangular triangle, yes, squares under root of squares is equal to opposite and adjacent sides, whatever they, okay, now is equal to hypotenuse square. Yes, that is only called a Pythagoras principle of rectangular triangle. From that rectangular triangle principle, we are considering. Okay. Yes. Next, after this, yeah. Next, 11th question. Which one of the following is not a vector quantity? which one of the following is not a vector quantity? Yes, velocity, force, energy, and as well as the momentum. Yes, which one is not a called a vector quantity? It is one. Velocity is a vector quantity only. Force is a vector quantity only. Yes, you know very well. The momentum is also yes, a vector quantity only. The energy is not a vector quantity. Work is also not a vector quantity. So many times we discussed about the energy is nothing but capacity to do work. Yes, it is not a required any direction. That is why that is called a scalar quantity. C. 11th answer is C. Next, which of the following pairs are scalar quantities? Energy and the force. Okay, energy is a scalar, but force is a vector. Okay, now, and as well as the speed and the mass. Yeah, this is only. And the next volume and weight. Volume is a scalar, weight is a vector. Temperature and velocity. Yes, temperature is a scalar, velocity is a vector. Okay, that's why that is also not a vector quantity. Then the 12th answer is become what? Tell me. Yes, speed and as well as the mass. The answer is B. 12th one answer is B. Got it? Speed and mass both are yes. Next 13th question answer. Which of the following pairs are vector quantities? Weight and mass, velocity and speed, force and acceleration, velocity and the energy. Yes, here energy, speed, mass. These all are scalar quantities only. Just the force and acceleration. The answer is C. Okay, the force and acceleration. So both are a vector quantity. Remaining are contained. Yes, somewhere a vector, somewhere a scalar. Velocity vector, weight is also vector. But the whatever the pair it is there, other pair it is a yes scalar only. Okay, clear on that? Yes. Next, 14th question answer. Two forces of magnitude 3 newtons and 6 newtons are acting on body. What is the maximum possible magnitude of the rectum of these forces? Okay, clear on that? What is the maximum possible magnitude of the rectum of these forces? Means what? The resultant of these forces. Okay, now that is simply yes, they given only magnitude. Yes, they not given any particular directions. That is automatically it is a become 9 newtons only. Simply the answer is add that vectors. Okay, that is a become yes 6 newtons plus 3 newtons. That is only become was 9 newtons. Next, 15th question. A scalar quantity is that one that is unitless, is not a correct, is conserved in a process, has the same values for a observer with a different orientation of axis, is independent of a direction. Yes, yeah, it is independent of a direction. It's a conserved in a process. It is a constant in a process. Okay, clear on all this. The answer is second and as well as the given what actually yes have the same value for observer with a different orientation of axis also. Third one is also correct only. It is not depending on the directions now. Yes, and as well as this is the conservation process. The answer is C. Okay, the conserved means what? A constant. Orientation of axis is nothing but the direction only we are taking. We not it is a specified any direction for a scalar. That is why it is not a depending on. It has the same value for any direction you have to take. It's independent of a direction. Got it? Yeah, that is why answer is C. The two vectors of the same physical quantities are unequal. Yes, the two vectors of the same physical quantities are unequal. Yes, if they have same magnitude and same direction, they have different magnitude, but yes, same direction. They have same magnitude, but different direction. Yes, they have same magnitude, but a different direction. They have different magnitude for a different directions. All the students listen carefully. When the vectors are become unequal, yes, when they contain equal directions, equal magnitude, at that time only we called equal vectors. Okay, clear or not? Either maybe the directions are same, or maybe the magnitude are same. Any one of them may be same, it is not. Yes, when they contain different directions and different magnitudes, at that time only it is a become what? Unequal vectors. Okay. Yes, 16th one answer is the D. Why? Because when you take a vectors are like that. Okay, these are not same direction, but a magnitude is a different. It is not a called equal vectors. Okay, yes, and as well as opposite in direction, but same in magnitude. Okay, these are also not called equal vector. Why? Because the magnitude for it is become 4, it is become -4 automatically. Okay, now, yes, in case I am taken 4 centimeter, it become -4 centimeter with respect to that. Okay, that is why it is also not an equal. That is why when there is a contain, yes, unequal means what? When they contain, they have, okay, now, yes, should be different magnitude and different directions. Got it or not? Any one of them become same, it is not a become, yes, equal vector. The two should become either direction or what, and as well as the, yes, magnitude. Both should become, okay, both should become, yes, both are should become different only. Okay, this is about our vector analysis concept. All the answers is note on once. Yeah. Next, once all the students, this is our vector total components. The lesson of vector is, and in this chapter already we are discussed First thing, the introduction of the vector. Which one is the vector? Which one is the scalar? Okay, now, and what is the difference between vector and the scalar? How to represent the vector and as well as the scalar? Okay, now how to recognize it is a vector or a scalar? Depending on the physical property, we are designated that it is a vector or it is a scalar. Okay, clear? And next afterwards, we are discussed about that. Yes, what is the yes angles and as well as what is the directions. Okay, how to find out the direction of the vectors? Totally, there is a 12 directions we are taken. Generally, we are taken north, east, west, south. Okay, now, but we are taken about by the orientation. Different yes directions are made for us: northeast, southeast, northwest, and as well as west south. Okay, now, there is a clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, these are the components we already discussed it, and as well as how to find out the angle between one vector to another vector. Okay, that is also already we are discussed. Yes, when we take a clockwise, one type of angle may get. When we go with anti-clockwise, another type of angle may get. Yes, compulsory. Please be concentrate on that clockwise and anti-clockwise, whatever the vectors are there. And the last, we are consider what? How to we are consider the different types of vectors. All the vectors are not same. Sometimes the vectors are contain equal nature. Sometimes they contain unequal nature. Sometimes they contain a what? Yes, they're starting from one point that is called the concurrent and other the terminal. Okay, now and direction based, magnitude based. We classified the vectors. Okay, totally 15 types of vectors we are already discussed. Null vector, zero vector, unit vector, how to find out unit vector, and what is orthogonal vector. Okay, now what is the coordinate points? Okay, yes, and these are all the things we are already discussed. Okay, yes, this is about a vector components. Tomorrow onwards, we are going with that part, one more chemistry lesson. Okay, yes, or just simply we have. Yeah, next we are going to the chemistry lesson, one more chemistry part. Then after again we'll come to the physics and the kinematics. Okay, yeah, don't miss